Good morning and happy Thanksgiving to all of my US viewers. I filmed this What I Eat in a Day video on Canadian Thanksgiving in October to show everything I ate as a vegan on Thanksgiving. For breakfast, I went out with my friends Monica and Shannon to a vegan vegetarian restaurant in Vancouver called Heirloom, and I ordered the banana French toast, and it's banana infused almond milk batter topped with cashew cream, seasonal compote which was raspberry, and fresh banana slices. Then later on when I came home, I had a vegan lemon coconut protein bar, which it was the first time I tried that one and it was pretty good, and some fresh fruit. For Thanksgiving dinner, we went to Alex's parents' house and his mom made a vegan-friendly Thanksgiving meal, which was so kind of her. The recipe for the walnut lentil loaf is from the Unshakeable cookbook and is on the Unshakeable website, which I will link down below. If you're vegan and looking for a good Thanksgiving recipe, I highly recommend this. It was amazing and I had it for leftovers the next day and it was so good. For the salad, we had dark leafy greens with dried cranberries, pine nuts, tomatoes, cucumber, and everyone added their own dressing, and I just used lemon juice. Then I helped mash the potatoes, which is always fun. We added in vegan butter and coconut milk. Something I'm thankful for at Thanksgiving is my family and how everyone has always been so supportive of me being vegan and gone out of their way to make vegan recipes and choose vegan-friendly restaurants when we go out. I always let everyone know how much that means to me and how much I appreciate it. And there is the delicious lentil loaf. There was mushroom gravy as well, which I didn't film. And there's the red cabbage, which was really good. I show you my plate in a minute, and I actually filled it up a couple times. We also had Brussels sprouts, green beans, carrots, and 2 types of potatoes. Then we went outside in the backyard for a little bit to take a break before dessert. We walked up to the top of the hill to see the view of the mountains and water, which is so pretty, and the lighting was really, really beautiful that day. Then Alex, Jason, and Scott showed off their pool skills, and I've tried to learn about 40 times, and let's just say I tend to want to use the pool cue like a hockey stick. Alright, now it's time for dessert. My mom brought this pumpkin pie from Whole Foods, which is my favorite. It was so good. I had 2 big slices since everyone else was eating a non-vegan pie. and I had my favorite Trader Joe's well-rested tea. Alright, that's it for this video. I want to wish you and your families all a very happy Thanksgiving, and I would love to hear in the comment section what you're most thankful for this year. I'm thankful for my family and having this YouTube channel, being able to share part of my life and positivity with you. Bye guys!